This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic doc with Easy Orthopedics, and today I'm going to tell you a specific type of insurance plans to watch out for. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe. So what type of health insurance plans should you watch out for? I really hate health insurance. I don't have health insurance. I use a health share, which is a different conversation, which is good if most of your family is pretty healthy and you don't need medications. I think it's a superior product. So I think mostly all insurance plans are garbage, and that includes, all the major players. But there's also a particular type of health insurance plan which is like extra bad. And these are these short-term health insurance plans. So these short-term health insurance plans are meant to last you from like one job to the other. They used to only last up for 3 months, and I think they extended it up to a year. So you could feasibly get like one health insurance plan and then just keep renewing it. And they have various names, but they're not very well regulated, and they're particularly bad, meaning that if something happens to you, there's a very low probability they're going to pay out. Or if they pay $1 million, they may only pay $2,000 per event, meaning that unless you have tons of events, they're not really going to pay for much of anything. And the problem is the people selling you these plans are very times unscrupulous because they get a commission if they sell it. So they'll sell you on these short-term health insurance plans, and look, if you never use it, you might think it's the best product ever. But if you had to use it, it can be quite particularly bad. I'd say if you're in that situation, skip those short-term health insurance plans. And if you're young enough, you can go on your parents' insurance. Health share can sometimes work if you don't have any pre-existing conditions. That's probably much more economical. Or if you have to, you can get an Obamacare plan. If you get a subsidy, they're not so bad. But it's actually a legitimate health plan, not a good health plan, but a legitimate health plan compared to these short-term ones which aren't. I think that's pretty much what I would do. Or if you truly don't have an income, you may be able to qualify for Medicaid. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about what type of health insurance plan you should specifically avoid. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond. But I can't give you any specific medical advice because this video and all my videos are for educational purposes only. And if you're the one selling these short-term insurance plans and making commission off of people just planning on them not using it, then shame on you.